Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought I would do a video that I had seen going around for like years, and I've always wanted to try it but never got a chance to, and it is the full face using only Halloween makeup. So it's gonna be interesting. Like, honestly, we shall see how this worked out. But if we went to beauty school, like if you went to beauty school, then you should really know your color palette and it should not be a problem. So I do have this thing here that I like to use for makeup. It's Halloween makeup, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. This is the 12 flash color case. It comes with like 12 different colors. And guys, we're gonna have to figure out how to do foundation, concealer, blush, highlight, everything using only Halloween cosmetics. And all right, so this is the one that I picked up. I just figured that it had all the colors in here. It has blue, black, red, yellow, white, green, another yellow, or is that like darker? It's probably, yeah, a little bit darker. Orange, brown, gray. We can use the brown for like brows, maybe bronzer, contouring. That's gonna be useful. The red blood, we might use it for lipstick, we might not. This, I don't really know what it is. I guess it's latex stuff. Then there's some crayons, so we can either use them for like shadow or like a shadow base or some type of stuff. But I really want to make the look, I guess the whole point of this video is to actually make it look like a full face, not just like I put Halloween makeup on all over my face. So then we have some glitter that could probably be like the only highlight that I see happening, and this cream white stuff, I don't know, we don't probably need it. But I also went ahead and got lashes because it just made total sense to use, you know, like to use these because they're Halloweenish, and I wanted to keep this full face using Halloween stuff. So yeah, we might use the top and the bottom. We might just use the top, who knows. Hopefully this was like zoomed in enough for you guys. Yeah, so this is like, it has all these different types of colors, crayons, everything. And I just figured like I had to get these because they were super cute. They're really cute. They just have little ghosts and bats, and I thought it was cute. And like I said, I have this 12 color flash palette. Let's get started, okay? How many of you guys hate opening things? That is that's like my pet peeve. I hate opening packages. So this stuff is like pretty hard. I don't even know, it's like a wax. So you know what, we can probably use that as like a brow pomade. Look at that. Let's open this thing up. It just comes like this, and I bet you this stuff is like super, oh no, it's kind of pigmented. It's kind of comes with a sponge. I was gonna like try, should I only use the sponges? Maybe we'll just go ahead and use the tools it came with. 2 little eyeshadow brushes. Let's get started. So if you know color correcting, we can possibly, I don't have my spatula or nothing here. We can possibly, so the first thing I'm gonna do is, I don't know if I'm gonna follow, I know we're not gonna set anything because there's no powder. No powder anywhere. So I'm gonna use these sponges. I went ahead and went to go wet them. Well, my husband did. They're wet now and they grew a little bit, and I feel like they're pretty cool. Like they feel like beauty blender-ish. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some foundation. I'm gonna just go with foundation first. We're gonna mix some. So I know that you have to take like your undertone, which this is my undertone. I'm yellow. And I'm just gonna pop it on the back of my hand because I don't have a palette with me. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of white because I'm also a little light, and then I'm gonna take some brown because I'm also brown, and let's blend. You know what, why am I taking so little? Like, how is that gonna fit my face? I used to have, I'm just gonna try to mix it with this. I'm using like the back of a tweezer. Just gonna be blending until we get the matching shade. This is gonna be a struggle, guys. So I'm adding more white. What other color do I need to add? Yeah, okay, we'll keep doing that. So I'm gonna add some more yellow. Honey mustard. I'm just gonna be doing this until, ooh, we're kind of coming. We're getting there. Nice. We're getting somewhere. I think that's good enough. Let's try this. Oh shit. That's okay. That's okay. We just gotta blend, blend, blend. I wonder if I should add a little more white. Hard trying to show you guys and mix on the back of my hands, like really hard. Look at that. I feel like I'm putting some mustard on my face. Oh god. Fuck. Some more white. More yellow here in a second. And I need to add more yellow because it's looking pretty muddy. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, let's try to fix this because right now it looks horrible. I have to rub. Like, I know the main rule of like sponges is you don't rub, but that's like the only way I'm gonna freaking get anywhere here. See, that's more my color. I think I could just add a little bit of white probably. Put some on the nose, forehead. Ooh, look at that coverage. Probably gonna break out for this video, but that's okay because we're gonna have to work with it. All right, I think that's pretty good. Like, this side obviously is darker, this side's lighter, but we're gonna work with it. And then I'm gonna make some concealer. I'm gonna grab some white from this palette just to make it fair. Ooh, this is like way more creamier. Ew, and that's oily. Yellow, try to make some concealer. And I'm gonna take some of this darker yellow shade. It's very like creamy. This lighter, so I'm gonna throw in a little bit of brown. I'm gonna throw in some more white. I use the other colors and they seem so like thick and gross. Actually feels gross. Just gonna apply this down here. It feels so thick. God damn it, and I need more and then I end up not having enough. Like, it feels disgusting on my skin, but like camera wise it doesn't look horrible. Like, if you were in dire need, this would probably work for fun. Okay, there's some more concealer, so I'm just gonna apply more under this eye. Ooh, you know what, it kind of went a little darker on me. That is good. I feel really weird like not being able to set this, but I'm just gonna follow the rules. Okay, moving on. We need some more boo wipes. Next we're gonna bronze. We're gonna go into this brown. Or should I make one? I think I'm gonna make one. So I'm gonna get a little bit of the brown, this waxy crap, and I'm gonna add a bit of yellow. Throw in like a little bit of this orange just to make it like a warm shade. And that's looking too mustardy. Apply it here. Apply it there. Apply it there. And here. And to hide the double chin. I'm gonna apply it here in my nose. And then I'm just gonna take it here. And then we're just gonna blend away. I'm gonna fold the sponge and use it like this. It's so much easier. My room smells so good right now. Guys, so I'm not gonna lie, but this kind of looks really, really good. Like, I have really white under eyes, but wow. Okay, I'm gonna make another concoction. Just make a little darker. I'm just gonna add brown into what I already have. Apply more up here. It doesn't look bad at all. Like, besides the really bright under eyes, good job. For blush, I wanna do, I'm gonna take some of this coral shade here. This looks like it would be a pretty blush. We need to tone it down, so I'm gonna take a little bit of white. See where this goes. A little bit more white. And I think I wanna like warm it up, so I'm gonna add some yellow. Oh, this could go really bad. A little bit of the red. Just a little red. It's getting there, and I want a little, I'm gonna add just another little dot of red, add some white. So I think that color's fine. We're just gonna work with that. Yeah. We're gonna work with that. Let's see where this takes us. Ooh, that's real pink. Not too bad. Like freaked out at how good this actually is turning out. And obviously it's not great, but it's not shit, you know? That's it for the blush. I think I'm just gonna leave it there. Okay, next, moving on to highlight. So this is what I have. I have white cream makeup. I'm gonna put a little on my hand. Oh, it's gonna be nasty. And then we have glitter gel. So what I'm trying to do, you know what? Look, I have highlight. Hell yes. So I'm gonna use the gold, and I'm gonna mix it with some of this white. But I'm just gonna, let's see where we go here. And we're just gonna highlight with this because that's what we're gonna do, okay? So I'm gonna take one of these brushes here, little brush, and you know what? Maybe even my finger. Just gonna use the warmth of my hand to just warm it up. There you go. Ooh, do you guys see that? Like seriously, throw away all the makeup you ever owned and just buy yourself the 12 Flash palette. That's all you need in life. If you're on a budget, like damn, full face right here. To the tip of my nose. Guys, this is actually working. Oh shit. Ooh, look at that. Oh my god, guys, look at. That not look like a full face. So I can't really get my highlight to blend, so that's a problem, but that's okay. Okay, moving on to the brows. Usually by now I would like set my face and it feels like it has some stuff on it, but whatever. I'm just gonna take this little angle brush and I'm gonna use this wax that it comes with. So I'm just gonna first apply no color, and I'm just gonna like, and then I guess I'm just gonna go into the brown here, apply it to the back of my hand, and a little bit of black, like very little. I'm just like blending it here, and that's the color. Looks about anything. You know what? I'm just gonna use this spoolie real quick to blend it out. So I'm thinking like the only easiest thing I could do here is create kind of like a smoky eye. So I'm gonna into a little bit of brown, and I'm gonna pop that on the outer corners. Oh god, help me with this one. Take the sponge and try to magically, like, I don't know, blend, trying to create a transition shade. Add a little more brown here. The coral shade, this one right here. Oop. I'm gonna dab that in there, kind of like, and hopefully this turns out good. Oh shit. She messed up. This is going wrong. Told you I was gonna mess up when it came to the eyes. This, so I'm just gonna like wipe away here. I'm gonna go into for some more brown and just blend it out. This is looking horrible. I now want to quit. Mix a little black and brown. I'm just gonna try to carefully blend it, but it kind of goes everywhere. Guess we're doing a smoky eye today. It's gonna have to work. I'm gonna call that a look. We're just gonna keep it like that. I need to put something on the lid. So I think I'm gonna go in. Ooh, we'll use the silver. The silver right here. I'm just gonna pop that on the lid. Ooh. Yes, 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 yes. I feel like you really need to use your fingers with this one. So I'm like popping it on my hand, and then I'm just gonna put it on my lid. It's really hard with nails to like get in there. That'll work. Yep, that's gonna work. I was gonna use this as eyeliner, but it's like seriously, I'm gonna use it, but I'm gonna dip it into this black hair. I know this is gonna crease really ugly. We're gonna smudge it. We're gonna do like the smoky liner type of situation. Getting somewhere finally. Ooh, just gonna smoke out the liner. So obviously I'm not gonna put this stuff on my eyes as mascara because I think that would probably be dangerous. Add a little bit of the black pencil underneath for my waterline, like just to smoke it out. That works. Now we're gonna pop on the lashes. These frightening lashes, I guess. They're $5. Shit. Oh my god, they look kind of freaking horrible. Like, how do you even... My makeup looks horrible. It looks like I did my makeup and I went out clubbing and I woke up drunk, like hungover, and this is how I look. Pop this on. Oh my god, now that I like look up close in the mirror, looks a little smudgy. Wow. Try to get as close as I can. Ooh. Okay, I just need you to hold on for just like, oh my god, look at it, I have red on my hand somehow. Okay, so I mixed in some blue, some red. Let's just throw in some yellow. I'm gonna throw in some orange from that palette. Because I'm not like a pink wearing type of person. I'm looking for like a nude. You know, like a nude type of shade. That's kind of pretty. So I wouldn't put like that gold on my nose, but honestly it doesn't look bad at all. But yeah, so that is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I really wanted to film Halloween looks, but I wasn't able to, so thank you so much for watching.